Good morning children, welcome back to class 7, subject math, chapter 2, fractions and decimal. So, fractions and decimal, this we are learning right from our class 4 and I hope you all know, you have clear your concept regarding this fractions and decimal. But let us recall what are fractions. So, what are fractions? Fractions means an incomplete number which represent an incomplete value that are called fraction. Suppose if you have one paratha in your lunch box and of that one paratha you have made 2 equal parts and out of that one you have eaten up. So how much part you have made? 2 and out of that how much you have eaten up? 1. So this eaten up part, this is the selected part, is called the numerator. And how much equal part you have made of this one? That is called the denominator. That number we will write in the denominator. How much part we have made? 2. That number we will write in the denominator part, and how much we have selected of that 2 part, that we will write in the numerator part. Okay, so and the whole value is given as a fraction. This is called a fraction. This total numerator and denominator part is known as a fraction, and it was separated by a manifold. A small line in between the numerator and denominator part is called the manifold. Okay, so this is called a fraction. Fraction means how much part we have made out of that one whole, and out of that how much we are selecting. Okay, so of this one, suppose of this one paratha you have made a 4 part, and out of that 4 part, one you have eaten up. So what will be the fraction of this value of this figure? 1/4. Because 4 part we have made, and out of that 4, 1 we have selected. So it will be written as 1/4, and it will be read as 1/4. Okay, it can also be read as 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, and if suppose you have made 8 equal parts, so out of the 8 parts, 1 you have eaten up. So how what will be the fraction of this figure? 1 out of 8, and it will be read as 1/8 or 1/8. Okay, so these are the fractions, and this fraction which we have selected out of the one whole are called the proper fraction. So what are the proper fraction? Which is representing a part of a whole of one whole. Always remember, the proper fraction is such kind of fraction which is selected out of a one whole. Okay, like 1/8 or 2/9, 7/5. Okay, these are all the proper fraction. Sorry, not 7/5, 5/7. These are called the etc. These are called the proper fraction. Why proper fraction? Because it is selected out of one whole part. Okay, so the fraction which is selected out of one whole, the selected part out of one whole are called as a proper fraction. And in the proper fraction, the denominator is always greater than the numerator. If you want to identify whether the given fraction is proper or improper, you will look at the numerator and denominator part. In proper fraction, numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Denominator is always greater than the numerator in the proper fraction. What are the improper fraction then? Improper fraction is a combination of whole and a fraction. Suppose if you have taken 2 paratha in your lunch box, if you had 2 paratha in your lunch box, okay, of both you have made 2 parts. Okay, so first of all you have made 2 parts of one whole. Okay, and here again 2 parts of that one you have selected. Means total part how much you have eaten up? You have eaten up 3 parts out of the 2 equal parts. Why 2? Because of each whole you have made 2 parts. So denominator will be the 2. Okay, and out of that total equal parts, how much part you have eaten up? 1, 2, 3. The 3 part you have eaten. Okay, so this is called the improper fraction because it is the combination of a whole and a fraction. Okay, this 2 out of 2, it means 1 whole. This you have selected 1 completely. This you have selected the whole part. Okay. This whole you have selected. This whole and this is the fraction. है ना? So this is called the improper fraction. Okay. So what are the improper fraction? Improper fraction is a combination of a whole and a fraction. Okay. So what are the kind of improper type of improper fraction? 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 7 by 5. So and many more. In improper fraction, the numerator is always greater than the denominator. Okay. In improper fraction, the numerator is always greater than the denominator. This you have to remember. The numerator is always greater than the denominator in improper fraction. Okay. This improper fraction you can also write as taken 2 paratha and out of that 2 paratha you have eaten 1 whole paratha and out of another one you have eaten half of the paratha. So this 1 whole and this half. So it can also be written as 1 and half. है ना? Because you have eaten 1 whole and the half. So it can also be written as 1 whole and half. Okay. So in the form of whole and a fraction. If you are writing in that form, this is called the mixed fraction. This you can also write as 3 by 2 or 1 and half. So if you are writing the fraction in this form, this is called the improper fraction. And if you are writing the fraction in this form, this is called the mixed fraction. Okay, like this 3 by 3 1/3, 4 1/4, 5 7 9. So these are the kind of mixed fraction. When you are writing the fraction in the form of whole and a fraction, when you are writing the fraction in the form of whole and a fraction, these are called the mixed fraction. So today we have learned 3 kind of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction and the mixed fraction. So what are the proper fraction? Proper fraction is a fraction which is representing a part of a whole. Remember always, when a fraction is selected out of a one whole, that is called a proper fraction. And when the fraction is more than one whole, that is called the improper fraction. And it is the combination of a whole and a fraction. And what is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is nothing but an improper fraction. But when it is written in the form of a whole and a fraction, that is called a mixed fraction. So note this point in your notebook and try to recall.